Good afternoon, everybody. Today is March 12th, 2015, and welcome to our live market analysis for the British pound versus US dollar. I'm the Chief Technical Analyst here at HyperFX Academy, and I'll be walking you through some of the trade setups that occurred during the US session on the British pound versus US dollar charts. As usual, we are using our 5-pip Renko chart and combining a zigzag indicator with horizontal and angled trend lines. And as soon as the price action crosses these trend lines, we get either a buy or sell signal. So I'll begin by drawing some of the trade setups that occurred today. Our first trade would have been this upside break at this point here. You can see we simply connect the two red dots. This red dot is lower than the previous red dot, so we have an angled trend line. And as soon as the price action crosses the trend line on the upside, we have our first buy signal for the day. And that was a great signal. It went for 10, 20, 25 pips, 30 pips if you had waited for the first opposite candle to appear. And then after that we had a nice downside break as well at this point right here. And you can see again that this Renko brick closed below this trend line, so that's our first sell signal for the day. Okay, and if you'd missed that opportunity, you would have had another horizontal break at this point right here. Again, this blue dot is lower than the previous blue dot, so we use a horizontal trend line, and you can clearly see that this Renko brick closed below that trend line, so that was another 10 or 15 pip move as well at this point right there. Okay, delete some of these trend lines here so we have less clutter on the charts. And then again we had an upside break at this point here. You can clearly see that this Renko brick again closed above this trend line, so that was a nice 10 or 15 pip move as well on the upside. And then again, this blue dot is lower than the previous blue dot, so we can use a horizontal trend line here. And this Renko brick closed below that trend line, and that's our signal for there's another down signal. And that was a good move as well. It went for 10, 20, about 20 pips or so. And then we were followed, that was followed by another up break here. And then finally another down trade at this point right here. So it's a great day to trade and scalp the market here for the British pound US dollar. Plenty of trading opportunities. Again, all of these trades were successful. We didn't have many fake outs today. And then later in the day the market kept moving, so we had additional horizontal breaks. We had another horizontal break here and another one here. So you could have taken advantage of those trades as well again. So we had an opportunity to get in for a sell signal here. And if you had missed that opportunity, you had another horizontal break at this point here. So plenty of action today, guys, and that is our market recap for the British pound versus US dollar. I'll be joining you as usual again tomorrow afternoon with another recap using our basic Renko strategy and combining it with a zigzag indicator and using either horizontal or angled trend lines, and just using this very simple yet powerful system to scalp the market. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll be seeing you again tomorrow afternoon. Happy trading.